Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happiest birthday, Lola. Sana super masaya ka today and walang iiyak. Pasensya na kasi wala kami dyan on your special day. But don't worry kasi mag-aaral ako ng mabuti para in the next birthday mo, nandyan na kami. I wish you good health and hope that you're genuinely happy every day. We love and miss you so much. See you soon.
Hi La, happy birthday. Wish ko lang na magpakalusog ka po and sorry po dahil hindi po kami makakapunta dyan ngayon, pero we love you and enjoy mo lang po yung araw mo ngayon. Bye bye.
Ma! Kumusta ka na? Happy birthday! Piliin mo lang maging masaya lagi. Hindi ko pa pala nasasabi to na mahal kita.
Hi Ma, happy 80th birthday. Thank you Lord, nakaabot ka ng 80. Siyempre, ang susunod 90. I wish you good health, less stress. Dahil magparaluya-luya. Pero ang boses, luyahan. Lalo pag may naghahagad. Enjoy your special day. Pag na-stress sa laog, magluwas. Makimirindal sa luwas. Pwede ka naman magkakan-karne, diit lang. Bako tong totally habo mo na, high blood ka. Okay lang yan paminsan-minsan. Pasensya na dahil kami nakaabot. Taang time conflict. Happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa mga sponsor ni Mother. Ang babait nyo. See you soon, Mother. Basta hindi lang kami magsasabi kung kailan. We love you and we miss you. Love ya. Bye.
Happy birthday, Wawa Kawing. Happy birthday, Wawa Kawing. Happy birthday to Wawa Kawing. Happy birthday, Wawa Kawing.
Happy birthday, Lola. Sana po lagi kayong healthy and happy. We wish you so much. Maraming salamat po sa pagiging mabait na Lola. We love you. I'll see you soon.